Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Pascal Lauffer, co-founder and CEO of Onbrane, to discuss modernizing the debt market and the value of Nasdaq Primary. Pascal, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hello, Jill. Happy to be here.
Thank you. And tell us about Onbrane.
So Onbrane is a global platform which has been developed to digitalize the primary debt market. So basically, we get issuers, intermediaries, and asset managers on the platform to digitalize the whole process of creating a debt.
What sets you apart from other efforts that are also trying to modernize the debt market?
So a few things, right? The first thing is we've developed the platform with and for the actor on the debt market. So we basically work with them to make sure that the platform fits exactly the way they do their process today, right? So that's step number one. Step number two, we do realize that it's a market that needs to be transformed over time and digitalized. So we really work by iteration with them to improve the market as we move forward. And the third thing is we do have all the actors on the platform. So indeed, not just the issuers and the dealers and brokers, but as well the asset managers and everybody else on the platform that can contribute to the creation of a debt.
Explain to us in more detail, what does the platform do and why is it unique?
So what the platform does basically is, if you're an issuer and you're looking to raise money, you would come to the platform and express your needs. If, like most of our customers, you're interested in ESG, you would also have your ESG framework on the platform, so you can issue a debt through that framework. Once this is ready, you would invite your brokers and dealers to contribute to issuing your debt. So they'll be there to help you, to support you, and to basically create the paper for you. And eventually, that paper will be distributed to asset manager. So what Onbrane does is really digitalize the whole process from the ESG framework creation to the debt needs expression, all the way to the debt distribution to asset managers.
What made you seek out a partnership with Nasdaq?
Oh, so Nasdaq is actually the best partner we could dream of, right? I mean, there's a few reasons for that. The first reason is we share the same vision of the market, right? And we are also very focused on ESG. So that's a very strong point to begin with. Additionally, it's a market where right now we're very strong in Europe and needs to be also stronger in other part of the world. And Nasdaq will be a fantastic lever for us to get to other geographies. Finally, we have the same love of technology, same way of transforming the market, which means that we speak the same language when we're together.
And finally, Pascal, who benefits from Nasdaq Primary and in what way?
So interestingly enough, every actors benefit in some similar ways and some different ways, right? This is sort of interesting because everybody benefit from the digitalization. It's still quite a manual process altogether. And once you do put a piece of technology and a platform for people to connect together, all of a sudden you do create a proximity, a level of transparency, a level of security that did not exist. And every one of the actors on the platform would get that. Now, for issuers, it really allows them to seek more investment opportunities by reaching to more dealers and have just a better way to raise money. For dealers and for the dealers and brokers, right? The platform really allows them to digitalize their own operations and their own process internally, right? And for asset managers, they get to be part of the issuance process from early on and choose their investment opportunities in a different manner, right? So every one of those guys will benefit from digitalizations, obviously. So everyone benefits from a better market, better functioning market, and everyone will have their own added value as well.
All right, Pascal, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.
My pleasure. Anytime.